So what we're going to do now is the forum activity, which is the discussion board. If you have ever done an online class, what you've done these before. So we're just going to make the activity. We can go in and click it once and click add, or double click, and we can double click on any of those. So, and then we're in the forum. Okay, so the big part about the forum is just let me type this real fast, a little bit about yourself. Okay, so the big thing about a forum is really, when I click on this, you won't see the list, but when I click on this, you will see the list. So here are the different types: single, simple discussion, each person posts one discussion, Q&A, standard forum in blog format, or just standard forum. They all have their pros and cons depending on what you want done. Single, basically you make the first post and students can only reply. This one, each person posts one discussion topic, is you type the up here and then they can only post one discussion. Q&A, students must first post before viewing other students' posts. So if you want people to post first, do a question, and then others and respond to those, you use Q&A. Standard form and blog format, it tells you what that is, and so on and so forth. So if we move on, you can limit the attachment and the word count. You can subscription track. So subscriptions mean that the Moodle will email you every so often, and you can make optional or make them mandatory. Discussion locking, obviously you're going to lock the discussion. Post threshold blocking, like when you're going to block, and you can see 1, 2, 3 days when you're going to. You could grade. You can just like before. You have that. You have restricted access, just like before. Activity. This is where it's different. Is you have all these different choices now. Student must post so many replies. Must create this. Student must post discussions or replies. So you have to choose what qualifies as being done for that one. When we're done, and this is just a standard form, so here's the question up top, and then I would just add the discussion forum like this and say, hello, my name is Mr. Smith, and I like snow. Okay, and that's it. You can see this is where you get your discussion subscriptions. Here's our uploads. If I wanted to upload a picture of something other than putting it in the post or whatever else I might need there. Display period, this is something only for the administrator, where you can have it only for certain. As the administrator, then it would disappear, and when I click post, here it is, and you can see my one post, and I have no replies. That's the discussion forum. You just gotta think of how you want the forum to run, how you want it to work, and which type you need, and then like the completion tracking is. It's all. This one is the form is all in the setup, and then once you're set up, you don't have to do anything like the feedback and some other one coming up in the database. Once you create it, you have to do more. Whereas this one, once you create it, you're done. You just have to let students